Welcome back to Inbound Tutorials on our series about the inbound methodology. I am Professor Vernon. In today's episode, we'll explore how you can effectively use social media to engage with your audience. Social media platforms have become powerful tools for connecting with your target audience, building brand awareness, and driving traffic to your website. So let's dive right in and discover some strategies that can help you make the most of social media in the inbound methodology. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Social media can be a goldmine for engaging with your audience, but it's important to approach it strategically. To effectively engage with your audience, you'll need to follow these key steps. Identify your target audience. The first step is to clearly identify your target audience. Understanding who your ideal customers are will help you tailor your social media content to their interests and needs. Conduct thorough research and create buyer personas that represent your target audience segments. This will enable you to create content that resonates with them and sparks their interest. Choose the right social media platforms. Once you know your target audience, it's time to choose the right social media platforms to reach them. Different platforms attract different demographics and have unique features. For instance, if you're targeting professionals and B2B customers, LinkedIn might be a great choice. If your audience is more visual, platforms like Instagram or Pinterest can work wonders. Focus on the platforms where your target audience is most active and engaged. Craft compelling and relevant content. Now that you know your target audience and the platforms you'll be using, it's time to craft compelling and relevant content. Your content should align with your audience's interests, pain points, and aspirations. Use a mix of formats such as videos, images, infographics, and blog posts to keep your content fresh and engaging. Remember, the goal is to provide value to your audience and build trust. Consistency is key. Consistency is key when it comes to social media engagement. Develop a content calendar to plan your posts in advance and maintain a consistent posting schedule. This ensures that your audience knows when to expect new content from you and helps you stay top of mind. Additionally, be consistent in your brand voice, visuals, and messaging to create a cohesive and recognizable social media presence. Actively engage and respond. Social media is all about engagement, so it's crucial to actively engage with your audience. Monitor comments, messages, and mentions of your brand, and respond in a timely manner. Encourage conversations by asking questions, running polls, and seeking feedback. Show genuine interest in your audience's opinions and experiences. This two-way interaction helps build relationships and strengthens your brand's reputation. Leverage user-generated content. User-generated content, UGC, is a powerful tool for social media engagement. Encourage your audience to create content related to your brand and its offerings. This could be in the form of reviews, testimonials, or creative submissions. Share and highlight UGC on your social media channels, giving credit to the creators. This not only engages your audience, but also serves as social proof and builds trust with potential customers. Analyze and optimize. Last but not least, continuously analyze your social media efforts and optimize your strategy. Pay attention to engagement metrics, such as likes, comments, shares, and click-through rates. Use social media analytics tools to gain insights into what content performs well and resonates with your audience. Based on these insights, make data-driven decisions to refine and improve your social media engagement strategy over time. Conclusion. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively use social media to engage with your audience in the inbound methodology. Remember to identify your target audience, choose the right platforms, craft compelling content, maintain consistency, actively engage and respond, leverage user-generated content, and continuously analyze and optimize your efforts. Social media is a valuable channel for building relationships and driving growth, so make the most of it. Thank you for joining us today. I am Professor Vernon with Optimark Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority. We hope you found this episode helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the inbound methodology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for updates. See you next time.